DJI just built a robot that cleans your house with the same brain it uses to fly drones. But you can't even buy it in America. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because what you're about to hear will change how you look at smart home tech. Imagine a vacuum that sees your floor like a drone sees the sky, dodging cables, pets, and socks with military-level precision. That's exactly what DJI's new Romo series does. These smart robot vacuums just launched across Europe, but skipped the United States entirely. Why? That's part of the mystery. Inside, Romo is the same technology that helps DJI drones avoid trees midair. Fisheye cameras, solid-state LiDAR, and AI-powered obstacle sensing. It literally builds a 3D map of your room, spotting objects as small as a playing card. And get this, it plans its cleaning route the same way drones chart a flight path. Your living room basically becomes an airspace map. But the coolest part? The flagship Romo P actually has robotic arms that extend to clean corners most vacuums miss. It even washes and dries its own mops. So yes, this robot cleans itself after cleaning for you. DJI calls it Romo, but it might as well be called R2-D2 for your home. It's powered by twin high-torque motors, has a silent base station that cleans debris automatically, and runs for months without human help. So why isn't it coming to the US? Because right now, DJI is under national security review, meaning its new products could be banned from import. And here's where it gets wild. While DJI is turning drones into vacuums, another Chinese brand, Dreame, is doing the opposite. They're building drones now, hiring DJI's own engineers. It's like the tech world just flipped upside down. In the end, DJI's Romo isn't just another smart vacuum. It's a preview of what happens when drone intelligence moves indoors. So here's the real question. If drones can now clean your home, what will DJI automate next?